नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। फ्रेंड्स, पेंशन अपडेशन का जो केस था MC सिंगला एंड अदर्स, उसको कोर्ट ने उसका डेट रिलीज कर दिया है। ये पहले 9 मार्च 22 को शेड्यूल था, लेकिन अब 22/4/22 को इसका नेक्स्ट डेट शेड्यूल किया गया था। यानी कि अब इसकी सुनवाई 22/4/22 को होगी। और इस संबंध में ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरिस्ट फेडरेशन ने लीगल एडवाइस मांगा है। इस बारे में मैं डिटेल आपको बताता हूं कि श्री SR शुक्ला, SRS लीगल सीनियर एडवोकेट मुंबई को ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरिस्ट फेडरेशन ने एक पत्र लिखा है, रिक्वेस्ट फॉर लीगल ओपिनियन। वी रेफर टू द डिस्कशन वी हैड ऑन 20th February on Honorable Supreme Court order dated 20th January 22 on SLP case 5561/2016 MC Singla and other versus Union of India and others in the matter of pension updation in banks through video conferencing. We convey our sincere thanks for sparing your valuable time out of busy schedule to discuss the issues related to the above referred order to Honorable Supreme Court. As explained, updation of pension is a very important issue for our organization and our members. In view of this, we shall be obliged if you all we will kindly give our considered legal opinion on the following points which are arising out of the order under reference. First, it is stated in the order that IBA has constituted committee to examine issue of pension updation in banks. The committee is supposed to consider the representation claims of the petitioners and similarly placed persons. AIBRF is apex level organization of bank retirees and present membership of the more than 2.5 lakhs from 44 banks. It is registered under Trade Union Act 1926. Whether this statement of IBA, which is part of the above stated order, make IBA legally bound to consider representation of AIBRF in the matter, and for the purpose AIBRF can legally demand for the personal hearing by the members of the committee. To ensure and achieve this, what line of action AIBRF should adopt? Honorable Supreme Court has ordered to IBA to submit appropriate report or interim report to the court within a period of 3 months. What are the legal consequences of this order? In this regard, we would like to have your opinion on the following points. Whether the report will be circulated among parties to the SLP. Second, whether parties to the SLP will have legal right to present their views through written affidavit and or oral arguments. In view of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, whether proposed report has become sub judice and any further action on it will be as per the Honorable Supreme Court order. Fourth, whether IBA government at this stage can take decision independent on the court order to accept, reject, implement recommendation of the committee on updation. Fifth, AIBRF is at present not party to the SLP. How AIBRF can present, submit its stand, views before the Honorable Supreme Court on the report as and when submitted. We have already made available court record of this SLP to you. We would request you to give us your considered opinion on the various issues raised by the petitioners in the SLP and counter affidavit filed by the respondent also. We shall be happy to provide any other relevant documents you require for this purpose. With respectful regards. Friends, जैसा कि AIBRF ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि क्या ये अपना वैल्यूबल सजेशन कोर्ट को अथवा कमेटी को दे सकता है, या कमेटी is bound to call to listen their views. इन सब बारे में लीगल एडवाइस मांगने के बाद AIBRF प्रोसीड करेगा। इन द मीन टाइम जो मैसेज आया है इसके हिसाब से कोर्ट ने इसका डेट बढ़ा के 22/4/22 कर दिया है, जबकि अर्लियर ये बताया गया था कि ये 9 मार्च शेड्यूल था। 22/4/22 तक क्या कोर्ट में अपनी इंटरिम रिपोर्ट या फाइनल रिपोर्ट आईबीए प्रेजेंट करती है, या उसके पहले ही अपना रिपोर्ट तैयार कर लेती है, ये सब बातें अभी फ्यूचर की हैं। फिलहाल हम 22/4/22 तक की इंतजार करते हैं, अगर कोई डेट फिर से प्रीपोन्ड या पोस्टपोन्ड नहीं हुआ तो। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, इस नए अपडेट के साथ फिर आपसे मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए वेरी वेरी थैंक्स।